Welcome to Quick English Practice. English Grammar Quiz. Each question takes 10 seconds to answer. If you pass this test, your English is excellent. Let's get started. Good luck. If I enough money, I would buy a car. Right answer is B, had. We have been living here. 2010. Right answer is C, since. The baby, crying for the last 10 minutes. Right answer is C, has been. By next year, I will. My graduation. Right answer is A, have completed. We watched the movie. We had dinner. Right answer is B, after. He, to the market when it started raining. Right answer is C, was going. The man you saw is my uncle. Right answer is A, whom. This is the place we met last year. Right answer is C, where. You must apologize. Your behavior. Right answer is B, for. She is interested. Learning new languages. Right answer is C, in. There is not. Milk in the fridge. Right answer is B, Annie. I will call you when he. Right answer is C, arrives. Mathematics. My favorite subject. Right answer is A, is. How do you visit your hometown? Right answer is A, often. My brother is fond. Cricket. Right answer is C off. Her keys somewhere in the house. Right answer is C has lost. The cake was by my sister. Right answer is B, baked. There are 2 people in the room. Right answer is A, many. A letter when I entered. Right answer is A, was writing. The girl, bag was stolen, is crying. Right answer is B, whose. He is not tall enough. Reach the shelf. Right answer is B2. Not only you but she, also responsible. Right answer is C, is. I was surprised. His sudden arrival. Right answer is B, at. The children playing in the garden. Right answer is CR. None of the answers correct. Right answer is B, is.